Hello Nuru devs and welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new announcement that I want to make, and the announcement is that I've just made a Nuru Vscode snippet extension.
Oh my god! Wow!
And I've just published it on the Vscode marketplace. So to find it, you can go here over the extension tabs on your Vscode and search for Nuru Snippets. So you'll see this one over here, and you'll see my name here. I'm the publisher of this extension.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
So before installing this, make sure you have installed the official Nuru programming language Vscode extension, so that it can help you in syntax highlighting. And this one is just a Vscode extension for helping you to generate some useful snippets. So just click on it and install. Then you're done. Now you can create a Nuru file with the extension .nr or sw. Then you can use the extension like this. So if you want to print something, you can just start typing an. You can see the andika over here. Then you can just type something, hello world, like that. For example, if you want to generate a while loop, so wakati, generates you this smart snippet over here. If it is an if statement, it's the comma, you just press enter. If it is the else if statement, you can say cow. You see, if you want to open a file, just type fn fun. So there is the fanya, then there is the fungua, this one over here. So you can try all the features that Nuru comes with, and just start typing and you'll see these wonderful snippets. So that was all I wanted to announce to you.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, bye.
And thank you for watching this one, and I will see you on the next one.